Hello YouTube, this is my $10 Drill Master 4.8 volt cordless screwdriver. There's on, forward there's reverse. I got this for $8 with a coupon. You get 4 bits, a number 1, number 2 Phillips, a number 1, number 2 straight. Get the little charger cube, and it has NiCad batteries. If the warranty runs out, I may gut this apart, and we'll see if I can fit some laptop batteries or something in it, something lithium ion. Here's your little light switch, so you have a choice of having it on or off. We're going to pause, and we're going to drive a screw, maybe 2 of them, into a piece of pallet wood, and that's hard old cottonwood or whatever they make it out of. So we'll be right back, and we'll set you up, and we'll see how good it goes. I've already done it twice. I charged up last night. We'll see how good it goes into the wood. Okay, we switched to one of our bits because we tried it with the cheapy bit that came with it, and it kept slipping. So here we go. We're going to do it with a short 3/4 to 1 inch screw first. Okay, then we're going to take one of these long ones. I'm going to be careful not to go too far, I'll run out of threads. These screws are very hard to start. Bear with me. And almost can't do it. We'll stop. Okay, so we've drove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws since we charged it up. So let's back this one out again. Okay, probably going to be more for small stuff. Back it out again. I lost count here, how many holes it goes. I guess it don't matter. Try it with the light on and see what it does. There you go. I'd recommend it for small stuff, hanging curtains or something. That screw is kind of hot, but I wouldn't recommend it for using big deck screws or big long sheetrock screws. So for little stuff around the house, I'll recommend it for that. This is not really a review. I just always like showing when I get a new tool what I think of it. So thanks for watching.